There. Yes. Educate you most welcome. Yes.
I request that you tell Uganda that you are part.
Can you hear me? Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Ugandans, this is Eddie Kenzo, and I'm here to let you know that I'm finally back in my country. Big thanks to Uganda government, the Excellency Ambassador Nelson Tsegele. Thank you so much for the great job you've done for us. We are so grateful. Big thanks to Uganda Airlines and all Ugandans that are praying for us, who have been requesting for my return. I'm so grateful. I'm very happy. I'm in my country, and I think everything is going to be good. We pray that all goes well for God and my country.
So your fans, your family were here, you see them.
Okay, my fans, they told me that you guys were here waiting for me. Unfortunately, we delayed and I came late, but I'm finally in my country. I'm here and I'm going to... Are they taking me to quarantine?
Yes.
For 14 days.
I have to go to quarantine.
For 14 days.
I have to go to quarantine for 14 days.
14 days.
But after quarantine, the party starts.
And I'll make sure I adhere to the state standard operating of procedures of quarantine.
Okay, so we need to tell people to follow the...
Yes.
To adhere to quarantine procedures. Let them follow.
Yeah, so everyone, you should follow the quarantine procedures. Me, myself, I'm going to be in quarantine for 14 days. And please, let's follow the procedure. Let's follow the guidelines.
You are welcome.
God bless you. God and my country.